welcome back to Ria Cookie channel. Today we have with us a genuine beach boy, Ken 60th anniversary, a Sillkstone reproduction of first Ken of 1961. And what could be best for such a handsome Ken other than unbox him right on the beach? Let's go! As you can see, packaging is quite simple. He's wearing his red swimming suit, his red sandals, he has his yellow towel. Let's release him from his box prison now. This is his certificate, he's a gold label. Oof, free at last. Isn't he so handsome? A real 60s boy. His flocked hair need a little bit attention because it's easy to get unstuck from his head. Let's put him a little bit on the side to assemble his stand. As the other dolls of this reproduction series, he has his name embossed on the base of the stand. As you can see, he's so cute, so handsome. He's my boyfriend today at the beach, having fun with me. But here's someone else coming. Oh, aren't they just so cute and loving together? Such a perfect couple, as they were meant to be. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye until next time. Love you all.